Good afternoon, everybody, fellow traders, my subscribers, my students. I greet you all. Today is Saturday, 27th day of February 2021. I want to do some analysis for the next week, though I can follow it up by maybe making another analysis every day or every 2 days, depending how time permits me. Okay, just as I said that I will do a more comprehensive analysis during the weekend. So for now, let me begin with USD card. USD card, from what I can see here, this is an impulse, though I didn't label it, but it is an impulse. Okay, and after every impulse, what follows is a correction, and correction takes time to complete. Now this is wave A, this is wave B, and wave C normally ends here unless there is a truncation. For now, wave C is supposed to come down to this level. So though this is a weekly chart, we can save the chart in future, we can go to it. So I suppose after this buying, there is a strong reason to buy on lower time frame. But when this buying ends, maybe around here or even here, I expect another selling towards this place before we talk about buying. That's where we get a strong buying, as you can see here. Now let's go to lower time frame, daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we can see how this decline. This chart is no longer new. I've been sharing this chart for a long time ago. The only thing I can tell you that I have seen reason to buy. Remember, I'm telling you that I'm looking at reason to buy USD card, but now I have seen the reason. These two candles is very strong, so I will continue to buy USD card. The first target is here. After here, I expect a correction, then another target. So USD card, we might see 1.32, 1.33, 1.34, or even 1.35, 1.36 in coming months. I don't know how rapid it will be, but I suspect we may have a candle like this. This type of candle, we might see it around here. So the message is USD card, and I'm no longer looking for sell. I'm looking for buy this time around. Okay, this is 4 hours chart. On the 4 hours chart, you can see this move is strong enough to get a correction. So we may either get pullback or correction. I've explained I've explained the difference between pullback and correction before. So expect a correction towards this place, towards 1.26, 1.25, 1.24, thereabout. Sorry, 1.2 towards 1.26, 27, and there and so that we continue to buy. So you don't just enter buy from here. You have to delay it. It will likely delay you maybe and turn around here. So the next 1 hour and 4 hours, there's no difference. Sometimes I don't share 1 hour chart because you see almost the same thing. So correction or pullback, we enter buy. The next, Bitcoin. People saying that Bitcoin is going up. I believe with you, but we have to have something is happening. There is a secret about Bitcoin I have. Sorry, that secret I can only share it to my students. So if you are willing to learn more, you can you join my Telegram channel and request to join students class. So I don't charge more, but I will give you very much value with little money. So remember, I told you, be careful. I know this thing will happen, but I don't know when it will happen. I thought it will happen around here. And I tell my students, be careful if you are buying Bitcoin, that it will go down soon. It was still going up. When it came to 50,000, I warned again, be careful, it may go down. It didn't go down, it will go up again. I kept telling everybody who listened to me, this time, this is not the best time to buy Bitcoin. Rather, it's the best time to sell Bitcoin if you have. Now, this happened. And I can tell you, when it was going up, some people say, hey, it's going up again. I tell them, wait. It will go up a bit and come down. And I draw this diagram. I told my viewers, watch, it will turn back around this blue box, and it's exactly at the blue box. Now here is another blue box. It may delay in this blue box, but it will eventually come down. Even if it comes up above it, expect another leg down. I have the secret, and I know why it will still come down. So you can learn more by joining my Telegram channel. Okay, let's move on. 1 hour and 4 hours, the same thing, just to see more details. Okay, the same thing, no need. We are going, Bitcoin is going down to 40,000 and below, or even worse. So be careful if you are buying. It will still go up. Bitcoin will still go up and come above this place, but I don't know when it will happen. It may still happen this year, it may not. Sometimes when this thing begins to happen, you think it will end soon, and it will delay. Okay, now when we get to gold, I will tell you something. Why correction takes time. So you may think it will be fast. Maybe by March or April it will go up. It may delay. This year may end, and you can see Bitcoin going down. It may delay, so you be careful if you are buying. I have seen 1 hour. Okay, pounds USD. This is the daily candle. I have been expecting this type of fall right from here. It kept delaying. As a matter of fact, I did not buy pounds dollar until it came up here. This is the only time I bought. Okay, because I'm expecting this type of fall, and the message there is that it will likely come to this trend line. That is 1.34, 1.35 area. Though it may delay, but that is where it is going. 4 hours. On 4 hours, you can see the move is sharp. So expect a correction or pullback. Then at least we are coming down to 1.37, 1.36 for now. Maybe when it comes here, it may correction and go down. So this is the ultimate target. If you are a long-term trader, here will be a take profit. Okay. Pounds yen. The move of pounds yen is somehow controversial. So if you are selling pounds yen, you may not get a good result. If you are buying, you may not get a good result. The reason is that other pound space is going down, but pounds yen is not going down as fast as other pounds yen are going back. So my focus is that you have a little sell, then it will move up again before it will sell a big one. But I would advise you to stay clear of pounds yen for now and focus on other pounds pairs, because its move is somehow contradictory to other pairs. So it happens sometime. It didn't correlate with others. Then if you are willing to trade it, look for sell. When this correction finishes, we can get a sell, but it may not be as deep as other pound pairs. So ABC will likely happen. Okay, 1 hour. And 1 hour you can see that it is strong anywhere, but expect this type of move may continue to move until 150. It may even go to 150. then another sale will surely happen, but not right now. Don't just go and enter sale from here. Some people will count A, B, C and enter sale. You may likely lose money because this can be W, X, Y. Then it becomes A. Then you get another W, X, Y. It becomes B and you get another W, X. So this thing may delay. Don't just enter sale from here, but wait to know if it will come up a little more, unless it is in accordance with your strategy. But with my strategy, it's not time to sell for now. We have to wait for some time. Euro USD daily candle, you can see we're looking for a sell towards 1.7 1.8 area. So nothing much to tell you about on daily. Let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours, you can see that this very move is sharp. After this type of move, you get a pullback or correction. Then I'll be looking to sell another. I'll enter a sell around this blue box. I think profit will be 1.9 or 1.19 or 1.18. Okay, we move on. 1 hour and 4 hours, the same thing, no difference. So looking to sell around here. That's all. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. I see going up, just like pounds JPY. So Euro JPY, pounds JPY is doing something different from what others are doing. Nevertheless, let's go to 4 hours and see it. On 4 hours, we expect a pullback, which other pairs are making deep, but you can see it's not that deep. So, but at least we get A. We are looking for B. After B, we can look for C. Then on C, we take profit at 127.5 or thereabout, or even 128. If you are afraid, you can take a profit at 128. But if I enter sell, I will trade down to this 127, 127.5. Okay. 1 hour, 4 hours, same thing. You can see this type of move. It's a sign of that this move is not strong enough, but we hope to get some correction around here so that we enter sell once more. Okay. DSY, I go back to 1 week to show you something, just like what we saw on USD card. This move is an impulse, and the correction A and the C is always, C is most of the time longer than A, but sometimes they are equal. So if A and C will be equal, then it means that we still have the price will still come down below 88, 87, 86, 85, even 84. So after some buying, I'm looking down to see another selling. So we likely break this low in the next selling move. So let's go to daily. On daily, we can see daily. Okay, daily. On daily, we can see the buying is not that strong, but at least we come to 93, 93.5, 94, even 95. So the selling will be interesting when it comes to this place, but this move is strong. So it's an evidence that buyers are back in the market. So at least expect a break of this very level, and maybe towards this blue box. Let's go to 4 hours. Just as I said earlier, this move is strong. We will likely get A, B, C. Then we buy towards this place. So to buy, wait for correction or pullback. Then we buy towards 92, 92.5, 93. Okay, that's for DXY. But ultimately, we're gonna sell again. AUD USD. I think this move is complete now. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is complete now, and we're looking for selling, which may come as low as 0.7, 0.71, 0.72. So I'm only looking for sell on AUD USD. What do we have in 4 hours? No difference in 4 hours. If the correction will be deep, it will come to this blue box. If it will be shallow, it will end before the blue box. But the message is that this is not time to buy, rather time to sell. Look for your sell entry and target 0.75, 74, 5, 74, even 73. So if you can get a sell signal from here, sell setup from here, then you sell towards this place. The coming weeks will be an interesting trade time. So USD JPY, I have been hammering that it is going up, so no need to waste time on here. Other we are coming to 108, 109, even 110. So I think the next move we end in this very weekly trend line. Okay, on 4 hours we can see it after this ABC running flat. 05 is going, probably after that we get correction and move up again. Gold, I have to say something about gold. On gold, I adjusted this very triangle, this very ending diagonal, because this move is sharper than I expected. I thought it will be moving gradually the way diagonal is moving, but the message is that just I said the long time ago that gold is coming around this place. Now my forecasts have proven me right, because gold have touched below 1720. I think it ended at 1718. So gold may turn back from here, but I can tell you gold is still coming down, except we see a sharp candle. If we see a sharp rally, something like this, if you see this type of move, if you see this type of move on gold, then we can assume that the selling is over. If you see this type of move on gold, you can assume selling is over. But if you don't get it, I tell you, gold will still going down. Gold is still going down. What we get here is correction and another selling. So now this is why I told you that Bitcoin may delay. I want to tell you something on gold. You see this, I didn't share the daily candle on gold, but I want to let you know. Okay, after this I'll go to gold and show you something on daily candle. The reason I told you that Bitcoin down move might delay longer than we expected. Let me complete my analysis. Okay, New Zealand USD is coming down fast. On 4 hours, this is what I expect. This selling is enough to get correction towards this blue box, another selling towards 0.7, 0.71 and so on. So expect some selling after correction towards this line. Okay, USD chef is going up. It's going up. This daily candle is going up. I expect 92, 93. So no need to waste time on daily candle, and I have no reason to sell USD chef. I can only see reason to buy. So when this was happening, I told you that it eventually come up here. So now, if market opens, it's good to buy from here. Then stop loss will be here, and target 93, target 92.5, 93. Okay, I think that's the last chart. Let me go to the gold and show you something on daily candle of gold. Let me go to the daily candle of gold. I want to show you something on gold, something you might not have cared about. You can see this very move. This is the 11th August 2020. Now, how many months? August, September, October, November, December, January, February. 6 months of correction, and it has not ended. So when you see that Bitcoin dropped, you think it will go back immediately. It may take a long time before it goes back. That's why I want to use gold to show you an example. After 6 months, the correction is not over. So who knows when it will be over? Don't be surprised if gold continues to sell towards the end of March, or at least more 2 weeks. Gold may still sell more 2 weeks before we get buying set up. So when market is correcting, don't think it will just end tomorrow. It takes time. So I have released some scripts I said I advise for my students, but there are more ones I will tell you here. So the only thing, the benefit you get for listening to me is that, unless you don't believe me, that I've been hammering, this is not a good time to buy Bitcoin. Wait for it to get a good time to buy. At least those who joined me from this place know that I kept warning them, gold is still going down. When this happened, I told them, gold is still going down. When this happened, I told them, gold is still going down. When time for sale will come, I will also know, and I will inform you. Now we have got to the end of our analysis for today. I will do other pays maybe tomorrow or during the night. I don't have much time to spend it now. So if you like what we are doing, subscribe to our channel, like our video, share our videos, share it with friends who are struggling to make money by trading. Then if you join our Telegram channel, you will see these things are pictures. You can see it. You get them just like this. You can save them in your box, in your iPad or tablet or laptop, so that from time to time you go and see it again, unless you want to watch the video every now and then. So join our Telegram channel. All these things are free. The only time you pay excuse me, the only time you pay is when you want to join students class to learn what we know and make us do what we are doing. Okay, I've got to the end of the video. Trade with care, don't overtrade, trade with stop loss, don't overtrade. If you overtrade, you may blow your account. If you overtrade, you are just gambling, because overtrading can make you rich quick, and overtrading can blow your account. So that's why overtrading is gambling. Trading is different from gambling. God bless you. Take care. Nice weekend.